Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm sharing with you all an easy recipe for General Tso's chicken. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. Okay guys, so to put this dish together, we're going to start by adding or making our sauce. So to a bowl, I'm going to go in with some dark soy sauce. Next goes in some black vinegar, and this is what it looks like, and I got this at Food Town Supermarket here in Florida. You can try online on Amazon, or this in Sears or a specialty shop in Trinidad. So I'm going to go in with my black vinegar. If you have the white vinegar and you wanted to use that, of course feel free to. I'm also going to go in with some mirin or some sweet rice cooking wine. Next goes in some sesame oil. I'm going to use a toasted sesame oil for this, and some honey, or you can use brown sugar or palm sugar, and feel free to put as much or as little honey as you would like. To this, the last ingredient is going to be some cornstarch, and we're going to mix that in. You want to mix in well and make sure there are no lumps. Once everything has been mixed in, go ahead and set this aside. Let's work on the chicken. So here I have my chicken already washed and cut up, and I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you wanted to. I'm going to season this with some white pepper, also some salt, very lightly because remember that sauce does contain salt, and I'm also going in with some of that black vinegar in here. I'm going to crack in 1 egg, and I'm going to add some cornstarch, and you want to mix everything to combine. Okay, once you've mixed in that, you want to set the chicken aside and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now to make our dry mixture. So in a separate bowl, we're going to empty some cornstarch. This is going to keep it really nice and crispy. I'm going to add in a little bit of flour just for texture. You just want to give this a quick mix. You can add some salt to this if you like, but I choose not to because that sauce is going to contain a lot of salt. So once mixed in, let's move ahead onto frying the chicken. Okay guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken pieces and we're going to dip it into that mixture, shake off any excess, and this goes into our hot oil. Now I'm going to add my pieces of chicken to my oil, and you'll notice I'm shallow frying these. You can deep fry them if you wanted to, and you can also place them into your air fryer. And you want to do this on a medium-high heat. So we're going to let these fry until they're golden brown. And I'll be doing this in 2 batches because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. Just going to go in, give it a flip. Okay guys, when your chicken is nice and golden, remove it and place it or set it aside to drain on some paper towels. Okay guys, to my wok, I'm going to go in with some of this coconut, garlic infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. So I'm going to add a little bit of that to my pan. Don't let your pan be screaming hot guys, because next we're going to go in with our ginger and garlic, and we don't want that to burn. Just give it a mix. I want this to start to release the oils, but make sure that it doesn't burn. So let it just go in there for about 20 seconds. Next I'm going to throw in some chopped chili peppers, which are totally optional, and those are dried chili peppers, and some scallions chopped. And we're going to mix that together with the garlic and the ginger. waken up that chili a little bit, and I did take some of the seeds out from the chili pepper. If you cannot find the dried chilies, use some red pepper flakes if you like to. So now I'm gonna go in here with my sauce that we made. So give the sauce a good mix and then add it to your pot or your pan. Now you want to mix the sauce together with the ginger and the garlic, the peppers and the scallions, and allow the sauce to start to come up to a simmer. You don't want to add the chicken in here just yet, because if the sauce is really wet and it doesn't start to get that sticky consistency, the chicken can get soggy. Okay, so guys, the sauce is starting to get that velvet kind of consistency. You'll notice it's thickening up, and it's not thickening up too fast. So once you see that velvet consistency forming, you're going to drop in your fried chicken, and we're going to toss to coat. Look at that beautiful color, guys. You know that this General Tso's chicken has that unique dark color. That's from the soy sauce. So once it's been mixed in like this, this is now ready to be served. And this is best served immediately because it is fried and you don't want that breading to get soggy. To finish this, guys, I'm gonna just drizzle or top with some crushed red pepper flakes so that whoever's eating this, they're gonna know it's spicy when they see those flakes. And I'm also going to sprinkle on some sesame seeds, which are totally optional. And that's it. That's your General Tso's chicken. How amazing does that look, guys? And I tasted it. The sauce on that has the perfect balance of sweet and savory, and it's just so amazing. I hope you guys have been enjoying this Asian line of recipes that I've been doing. I've been taking it back to the basics, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Comment, let me know down below if you try this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.